This is the most rain we've had since we installed our cistern. And it is full and overflowing, and the whole backyard is flooded. The greenhouse is flooded, and all the way over there. We have had a terrific storm and hail. I hope the hail didn't damage the greenhouse. We'll check it tomorrow. It was coming pretty hard. This is a lot of water. So the roof is getting rain and it's going down the downspouts and into the buried pipes and over to the cistern, and so much water is going into the cistern it's overflowing. So we've got 800 gallons in the cistern and it can't hold any more. It's 8 foot deep and 100 gallons per foot. So it's a 4-foot diameter cistern. Wow, this is just incredible. The asparagus is getting a good drink right now. A lot of our other plants are in under the eave, but so they're not getting a direct hit, but it's blown other plants over. We've got a mess.